In a global landscape where teams are overwhelmed by volume and variation, how does a unified content architecture help simplify operations and, in many cases, unlock speed and agility?
I mean, I'm not a super technical person. I've worked in technology for 20 years, but I think that's perhaps one of my superpowers in this as well. That I get it. And when I also know when you start talking about taxonomy, so if this chapter
Mm.
in the podcast is called taxonomy, people might fast forward or don't stay listening because actually it's been really interesting. So it was a project I specifically worked on last year. So what we were able to see, again, so fortunate to be able to look across the industry and see what everybody's doing and the hundreds of thousands of different ways that content is tagged, is called. There was a particular content type that we often use in pharma called, and there are 60 something different ways that we've seen it being called, like an electronic detail aid. So the piece of content that somebody in the field would use as they're going and speaking to a healthcare professional. That would be on an iPad, and it would allow them to interactively showcase the medicines, the way that it's working, the mode of action, the efficacy, whatever it is they need to be able to present.